Hey guys, how's it going today? Yeah, a little bit windy, sorry about that. But we've been working out in the shop today. It's 74, 75 degrees out here today. And just been doing some work this morning. We're taking out the wall. Told you this wall was gonna come out. And some wiring I have to redo and move around. Some of it is to have to cap off. That's fine. I just realized I forgot some stuff in town I needed to pick up, but that doesn't matter to you. But we're gonna get this wall out. I'm gonna take off the rest of this OSB, and then we'll start taking off the sheetrock. I wish there was a way to save sheetrock there. There really isn't, unless you find all the screws. That'd be crazy. But the cars are doing good. They've both been driving to work back and forth. And drove to town today in the Ford, and there's a lot of yard work going on. So moving, taking out fences, cleaning up stuff. I got a nice stack of blocks over here now, and if you need some concrete blocks, we got that. But you know, the garage is coming along, and we're getting there. So we're gonna do it. Well, we got a hole in the wall. We got all the OSB down, starting to pull down some of the sheetrock, and I've got to figure out this wiring. Really what I want is these two switches that turn on the main bay over here. I just want to transfer them over to that wall. And then there's a single switch here that operates this light. And I'm just going to move that light onto this other switch right over here. And all these plugs are just going to go away. And that's pretty easy. I just got to figure out where everything comes out of the breaker box and goes to over here so I can do that. But we've got progress. The wall is coming out, and that'll give us a lot more room for getting a car in here and in here, which to me makes a lot of sense, because I can store one back there and work on one here. I can work on one back there, and maybe that's what I do. I work on one back there, and I use this area. I can park one in the garage. So this only works with, you know, two cars. If I get more, like I hope to someday, then it doesn't work. But right now, here we are. And a few minutes later, we have a hole in the wall. Well, prison bars. But we've got all the sheetrock off. Came out in nice big sheets. It's pretty stout sheetrock. I'm impressed. Stuff I'm used to dealing with breaks up into a billion pieces, but this came off in nice sheets. So we got this wall mostly out. Take out the studs. I've got my Sawzall for that, and we'll get those out, figure out the electric. Well, we'll figure out the electric, then we'll take out the studs. And all of that, and some of this is going to become workbenches and shelving, which is the great thing about having extra wood like that. So we're close. Now I just have to figure out the wiring. Right there.